Hey friends, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this easy Microsoft Word tutorial, you will learn how to keep a footer only on the first page and remove it all other page in Word. This is perfect for creating professional reports, assignments, business documents, cover pages and official files. If you want to your first page to have a footer while the rest of the document stays clean, this tutorial will guide you step by step. So let's get started. Now we go down and we can see here the footer. We check the all page. Here all page added the footer. Now we want to remove the footer only the all page but not the first page. At first go to the first page last, separated the first page to all other page. Go to the layout menu, click the break drop down menu, choose continuous, then remove the space from the page, then double click on the footer. We can see the footer first page is section 1 and all other page is section 2 because I separated the document into two section. Then go to the second page, then go to the design menu and turn off the link to previous option, then delete the footer from the second page and we can see here all page remove the footer because this is a one section, but the first page is not this section, this is a another section. Then close the header and footer. We can see we remove footer from all page without the first page very easily. You can apply this process. You added footer to any page. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.